The objective of this horticulturist job is to prepare seasonal displays, maintain displays, and maintain grounds. The equipment used includes a wheelbarrow, kneeling pads. The tools used include a trowel. The materials used include plants, trees, bushes. The personal protective equipment included a hat, sunglasses. The work environment is an outside work environment. This job spans all 4 seasons. There are 6 horticulturists and 1 manager outdoors. There are also 4 horticulturists and 1 manager indoors. The work schedule includes 5 8.5-hour shifts per week. Workers work from 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. or sometimes 4:30 p.m. Note: workers work longer during the summer season. Workers get one 10 to 15 minute morning break and a 30 to 45 minute lunch break. The worker observed was 5 feet 10 inches tall. The work methods for the observed horticulturist job include: attend a morning meeting, approximately 15 minutes. Prep planting beds. Plant annuals, perennials, trees, and bushes. Dig ponds and lay pond liners. Lay stone and pavers. Weed. Fertilize. Prune. Deadhead. Hand rake. Remove plants from beds and replant with bulbs and mum in the fall. It is important to note that primarily planting annuals were observed. However, many other work activities are performed that were not observed. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the horticulturist position. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a medium pace. Hands were in constant, steady motion and exertion while completing work tasks. Sustained exertions were observed and included extreme dorsiflexion, or forward bending, while planting and doing other tasks in plant beds. Extended arms while planting and doing other tasks in plant beds. Hold the trowel while planting. The trowel is always in the hand and never set aside. Forceful exertions were required to prepare beds and dig dirt. Transport plants, tools, and materials. Position stone and pavers. Remove plant materials. Weed. Prune and deadhead plants. Awkward postures were observed and include extreme dorsiflexion or forward bending, forearm pronation, and extended arms to complete work in plant beds. Most of the beds are at ground level. Wrist extension or backwards bending to brace the body and to position dirt. Neck flexion to view work area when using the shovel or rake and other hand tools not observed. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed was contact stress between the knees and legs and edges of the plant beds and ground and between the hands and the tools. The recommendations for the horticulturist job include: consider using tools with the non-dominant hand to reduce repetition force and posture stress. Felco sells pruners that are left-handed and with rotating handles. Investigate other hand tools that have incorporated ergonomic principles in their design. Investigate adding a wrist strap to the trowel so it can be released from the hand to reduce sustained exertions. Consider using knee pads and/or kneeling pads to reduce contact stress when working in plant beds. Investigate long-handled tools as appropriate to reduce posture stress. Investigate using tools with telescoping handles to reduce posture stress.